Hello friends. So today I want to bring you a 2-week update on 2 different products. One is the Meguiar's Gold Class Leather Conditioner. Last time I used it, it was a clear failure. I think it was a bad batch, but we want to check up and see how it's doing. Remember, I put it on the BMW. We also want to take a quick peek at how the high-tech Quick Shot is doing. Now, this BMW, I'm telling you, he does not like to drive it unless the top's down. Just the way it is. So I want to see how it's holding up in those elements. He has driven it 6 times, and the top was down 5 of the 6. So let's see how it's doing. How often have you had the top down?
As much as I can.
As much as you can?
Yeah.
So it's been a couple, 3 times?
Oh, at least.
Okay. Well, we'll see how it looks. I want to see.
It was down most of the day yesterday. Just beautiful weather for it.
Okay. So, okay, well, let me go check it out. I want to see how the product does. Okay, Alrighty, so I wanted to kind of give an update on the aerosol can dressing. It looks like it's doing okay. It doesn't seem to be doing anything bad. Now, I will say, I wanted to also check on the leather conditioner. And it looks like it's doing okay. Okay, so here, let me give a quick rundown. This aerosol dressing, I put it on the center. It looks like it's doing fine. I also put it on the door over there. It looks like it's doing fine. Nothing that I would complain about. Now, the top has been down on this vehicle almost every time it's been driven except one in the last 2 weeks. Looks good. So it's been down. The top has been down. So obviously it's going to get exposure to the elements. Obviously the hot and all that. But it looks good. It looks like it's doing okay. So that is the high-tech Quick Shot that we used on that. And then the Meguiar's leather conditioner, Gold Class leather conditioner, seems to be okay, but my dad said, whatever you put on there is slicker than snot. Well, that's because we conditioned your seats, man. But it did not leave this hard surface. So at least we've got a good deal there. So I just wanted to kind of give an update because I did use 2 products. One I had never used before, and one we used after an earlier failure. So I wanted to kind of give an update on that. And we still don't have any issues here. I put the leather conditioner here too. Nothing. Doesn't look like it did any damage, so we're good. So that is my update. Have a good one, everybody.